welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel on jobs and careers. My name is Ipshita and today we would be discussing about career of a soft skill trainer. Of late, soft skills have emerged as a tool with enough power to make or break our career. Soft skill is an umbrella term which includes communicative skills, listening skills, team skills, leadership quality, creativity and logic, problem solving skills, diplomacy and change readiness among others. Soft skills are generally gifted and cannot be learned from a book, but if you really want to ingrain soft skills into your personality, you have to become a keen observer, an eager learner and assiduous workman, religiously putting to practice all that you have learned. Here are a few soft skills which may help you improve your career prospects and enhance your personality as a whole. Effective communication skills, which include oral skills for public speaking, presentation, negotiation, conflict resolution, knowledge sharing, writing skills for preparing reports, proposal, instruction manuals, writing memos, notices, official correspondence, etc. It also includes a combination of verbal and non-verbal skills. Next comes the interpersonal and teamwork skills. Interpersonal and teamwork skills contribute to higher productivity and better environment as people work together to reach common goals. This skills has 4 dimensions, namely cooperation, communication, work ethics and leadership. Next comes personal skills. Personal skills are those skills which make you not acceptable but respectable in society and at the workplace, but also help you in getting a good job and better career growth. They include ability to make decisions, alertness, assertiveness, attention to details, calmness, commitment, cooperation, emotional stability, empathy, flexibility, generosity, tolerance, self-control, self-reliance, self-respect, honesty and sense of humor among others. Next comes problem solving or other cognitive skills. To deal with stresses, we need to develop some skills which may help you in making decisions. Developing creative and innovative solutions, developing practical solutions, showing independence and initiative in identifying problems and solving them. Applying a range of strategies to problem solving, applying problem solving strategies across a terms of area. Next, adaptability and work ethics. An employer requires a whole set of skills to develop adaptability, like communicating across cultures, getting along with others in multicultural work environment, respect for others' faith and belief systems, avoiding racial cultural discrimination at the workplace. Work ethic is a set of values based on the moral virtues of hard work and diligence. It is also a belief in moral benefit of work and its ability to enhance character of an employer or an individual. A work ethic may include being reliable, having initiative, or maintaining social skills. Apart from that, a sense of responsibility, honesty, and commitment may also be included in it. Now, coming to the career prospect of a soft skill trainer. Most of the organizations are now providing their employees the training of soft skill in order to improve their positive communication, interpersonal, and team skills, problem solving, adaptability, and work ethics. This in turn has a very positive impact on the business and personal lives on one hand and the increase of productivity of the organization on the other. So after completing a course in soft skill, one can get a job of a soft skill trainer in any private or public organization and earn a handsome salary. There are a number of institutes that are offering courses in soft skills. First, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, National Institute of Technical Teachers Training, Chandigarh, National Institute of Technical Teachers Training, Kolkata, National Institute of Technical Teachers Training, Bhopal. Now, how do you get into this job? As such, there are no set qualification to enter in this job area. Any individual who is interested and have the confidence to enter in this area can build a successful career in this area. The minimum eligibility criteria is a graduation degree in any discipline. But on the other hand, if there is a graduation in social sciences, arts or humanities, etc., it will be more desirable. Placement after completing the course, one can get a job in any public or private organization, educational institute, or can set his or her own training institutes. Initially, the trainer can earn somewhere between 10,000 to 20,000 per month, but that increases over the years. Freshers World is the #1 job portal dedicated to freshers job, and it's been a constant endeavor to make India 100% employed. Please register to www.freshersworld.com because your dream job is just a click away. We would like to hear your feedbacks on the videos that we upload. Also, you can write to us about the topics you would like us to discuss about. For more videos, please like and subscribe to Freshers World videos on jobs and careers. We'll be back with more videos on interesting topics. Thank you.